So it starts here, and then it hits the speed walls. And some dominoes in this speed wall will go and land on the triangle, which will go across here, and then go there and hit the wall underneath over. And there are a couple green dominoes.
Okay, go.
Yay! This is the domino line, and it's the starting line, and it'll fall down, hit there, then it'll go around, and when it gets here, it'll push this and not split, and it'll keep going, and then it'll hit these all the way till the end, turn around, go up a staircase, hit some more, then the last domino will fall down and hit this, and then it'll hit these, which will go and hit that, and then it'll go around in a loop, and then it'll come back here, and then go up inside this tower, come out, go hit that down, go on the solenoid, go back, hit the block X, and then knock down this ruler, which will hopefully knock this down. But it might need to do some and that's it.
Okay, let's do it.